I am Sam Underwood. I own Polventon House with my husband Greg Underwood. I've been working in social care for over a decade. I really enjoy different tech courses, different courses in general, and I found out about this course through the Proud to Care team. Lawrence sent me an email asking if it would be something I'd be interested in, and I jumped at the chance, and this is my second session at the moment, and so far I've found it incredibly inspiring. I've learned things that I didn't know, and that is what I think is the most exciting bit about it so far. I have minimised my workload on a day-to-day basis. I've learnt of new different apps and tools that I can use to streamline my day-to-day working. I will be able to use AI to fact-check myself as well and ask the questions that I didn't know that I really needed to ask. By keep delving into the AI and keep asking more and more questions, it just gives me more and more answers that I can then use. If someone was thinking about joining this course, I'd tell them to jump on it straight away. It genuinely is eye-opening. Like I said a moment ago, I didn't know the things I didn't know, and that is what has motivated me to come back for a second session. I'm excited for the next session and the sessions after that. It's the questions that the course generates that are the most exciting bit. I think people in social care should definitely jump on this course, because there is so much that can be streamlined and sped up, saving us time so that we can actually spend time with the people that we're supposed to be supporting. It means that we can use AI to help review policies and procedures and make sure that we are using it to accurately go through the legislation, getting it to double check itself, using it to do evaluations, meaning that we can go back to the floor. We can actually put the time in with the individuals. We can use AI to put ideas in from the residents that we care for, from the service users that we look after, to help us generate new questions and new ideas that we can use to further support them and make lives better for them and produce more positive outcomes.